JWTs, or JSON Web Tokens, are a fundamental part of web development these days. They let you take some JSON like this, and using a super secret key, they let you sign data and return a token that looks like this. A JWT string is built up of 3 parts: header, payload, signature. The header is comprised of 2 parts, an algorithm and a type. Then you have the payload, which is our JSON data from before. Finally, the signature. And the signature is a string comprising of the header encoded, the payload encoded, a secret key, and the algorithm that's specified in our header. So what's the point of a JWT? It allows us to verify if we were the ones to actually issue said JWT. For example, if we have the secret key and we can successfully verify against the JWT, we know it came from us and is valid. However, if someone tampered with the JWT, it will not verify correctly against our secret key, indicating it's invalid. This is useful for authentication and keeping track of identity or validating the source of a JSON payload. This was JWTs in 1 minute. I hope you enjoyed. If I left anything out, please leave it in the comments below. I will also be doing a separate video on using JWTs. However, for now, I have a Nuxt.js video that you can see in the description below where I show how JWTs are used, but I'm going to be doing a standalone video on this shortly. Thanks for watching.